Right now, even as you listen to these words, something inside you is recording everything. Quietly, constantly, without judgment. Your subconscious mind. It hears every fearful thought, every repeated worry, every sentence you whisper to yourself when nobody else is around. And whether you realize it or not, it obeys. Because your subconscious mind does not decide what is true. It accepts what is repeated. And then, it shapes your reality around it. This is why two people can live in completely different worlds, even under the same circumstances. One expects struggle, the other expects support, and life responds accordingly. Tonight, you are going to use this law consciously. Most people spend years programming fear without knowing it. They wake up worried, speak negatively, expect disappointment, repeat the same painful stories, and over time, those stories become identity. I'm always unlucky. Nothing works for me. Money disappears. I'll probably fail. These are not harmless thoughts. They are instructions, and your subconscious mind accepts them literally. This is what Florence Scovel Shinn understood so deeply, that your word becomes your world. Write this now in the comments. My subconscious mind supports my success. Because what you repeat consciously eventually becomes automatic. Your subconscious mind is most active when emotion is strong. Fear, stress, hope, love. Repetition combined with emotion creates programming. This is why childhood experiences stay with people for decades, not because children understand everything, but because the subconscious records emotionally charged experiences deeply. And the same thing happens now, every single day. If you constantly say, I'm exhausted, I'm overwhelmed, I'm struggling, your subconscious mind begins creating more situations that match those words, not to punish you, but to remain consistent with your dominant programming. Write this: I choose thoughts that strengthen me. Your mind is always listening. Choose carefully. There was a man who grew up hearing the same words constantly. Life is hard. Money doesn't grow on trees. People like us never get ahead. As a child, he accepted those statements as truth, and without realizing it, he carried them into adulthood. Every opportunity felt risky. Every success felt temporary. Every setback felt permanent. Because deep within, his subconscious mind was still operating from old instructions. Then one day, he heard something that changed him. You can rewrite what your mind has accepted. At first, he doubted it because his patterns felt permanent. But slowly, he began changing his language. Instead of, I'll never succeed, he repeated, I am becoming more successful every day. Instead of, money is difficult, he repeated, money flows easily into my life. And over time, something remarkable happened. His confidence changed. His decisions changed. His opportunities changed. Because the subconscious mind had begun receiving new instructions. Write this now. I am rewriting my subconscious patterns. This is where transformation begins. Most people underestimate repetition, but repetition creates belief, and belief creates behavior. This is why fear grows stronger when repeated, and confidence grows stronger when repeated. Whatever you say consistently, your subconscious mind begins to accept as normal. So if you repeat, I never have enough, lack becomes familiar. But if you repeat, "I am always supported," support becomes familiar. And familiarity is powerful, because the subconscious mind always moves toward what feels familiar. Write this: abundance feels natural to me now. Let your mind begin accepting a new normal. The moments before sleep are incredibly powerful, because your conscious mind begins to quiet and the subconscious mind becomes more receptive. This is why the final thoughts before sleep matter deeply. If you fall asleep in fear, fear is impressed more deeply. If you fall asleep in gratitude, gratitude expands. So tonight, instead of replaying problems, you will give your subconscious mind a new direction. You will repeat, "Everything is unfolding in my favor." Again, "Everything is unfolding in my favor." Softly, calmly, without force. Write this now: "Everything is unfolding in my favor." Let those words settle deeply within you. Your subconscious mind does not respond to who you wish to become. It responds to who you repeatedly believe yourself to be. So if you constantly identify as stressed, you continue creating stress. If you identify as unlucky, you continue expecting disappointment. But when you begin identifying as supported, capable, abundant, your reality begins shifting to match. This is not magic, it is consistency. Your subconscious mind is always seeking alignment between belief and experience. Write this: "I am aligned with abundance and success." Identity creates reality. Pay attention to the conversations you have with yourself, because those conversations are becoming your future. The subconscious mind hears everything, especially the things you repeat emotionally. So from this moment forward, become intentional. When fear appears, answer it. When doubt appears, replace it. You are no longer speaking unconsciously. You are directing your mind deliberately. Write this now: "My mind is working in my favor." Because it is. Tonight, you are no longer leaving your subconscious mind unguarded. You are no longer feeding it fear without awareness. You are choosing your words, your expectations, your emotional patterns, and slowly, your inner world begins changing. And when the inner world changes, the outer world follows. Now seal this completely. Write this in the comments: "I now receive everything meant for me." Remember this: your subconscious mind is always listening, always learning, always creating. And tonight, for the first time, you are using that power consciously.